Exodus Wallet versus Trust Wallet. In this video, we're going to be talking about two of the greatest cryptocurrency exchange wallets out there. So they're called Exodus and Trust Wallet. Now, as we both know that the Trust Wallet and Exodus comparison is a difficult one because they both do toss off with each other when it comes to crypto exchange, but it is my job to tell you by the end of this video which wallet is better for you in different cases. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, cryptocurrency digital wallets have become increasingly popular in recent years as more and more people looking to invest in and use digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are out there. Now, Trust Wallet and Exodus are two popular options for storing and managing your cryptocurrency, but how do they compare with each other? So, the key takeaways that you're going to need are that Exodus is a desktop and mobile wallet, while Trust Wallet is a mobile wallet only. It also has an extension that you can use, but mostly it is a mobile app. Now, Exodus supports more than 100 cryptocurrencies, while Trust Wallet, on the other hand, supports over 1 million assets and 53 different blockchains. Exodus will charge fees for exchanging currencies within the wallet, while Trust Wallet offers a built in cryptocurrency exchange with no KYC or identity verification needed. Both these wallets will offer a secure local storage of private keys, with Exodus also offering the option to store keys on a hardware device that you're working on. Now, Trust Wallet is backed by Binance, which is huge, providing a sense of trust for users, while Exodus itself is an independent wallet and an independent company. Both wallets offer a dApp browser for interacting with decentralized applications, but Trust Wallet supports more DeFi protocols and NFTs, which obviously makes it a little better. Exodus will offer customer support through live chat, while Trust Wallet has been criticized for the slow response times that it has. Now, those were mainly the key takeaways. So let's go ahead and do a proper review of both of these. So first of all, let's start with Trust Wallet. So Trust Wallet, as you can see, true crypto ownership, powerful Web3 experiences, unlock the power of your cryptocurrency assets and explore the world of Web3 with Trust Wallet. Now, Trust Wallet is a mobile crypto wallet that allows users to store, manage, and trade cryptocurrencies. The wallet supports more than 4 million different cryptocurrencies and tokens across multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and much more. Users can buy cryptocurrencies with a credit card, bank transfer, or other payment methods within the app. The app also provides a decentralized exchange, which is known as a DEX feature, that enables users to swap cryptocurrencies without going through a centralized exchange with themselves. Trust Wallet also prioritizes security and privacy and allows users to control their private keys, meaning they have full control over all of their funds. The wallet also has biometric authentication features, including Face ID and Touch ID, to protect user assets. Users can also stake certain cryptocurrencies within the app and earn rewards for supporting the network. Let's talk about the pros and cons that it brings us. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons, basically, Trust Wallet is an extremely easy to use interface, supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies in it. As you can see over here, one platform with millions of assets where you can get across 100 plus blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cosmos, Optimism, and a whole lot more. It's simple, seamless, and great to use. It offers a built-in DEX or decentralized exchange to use, provides strong security features including PIN code and biometric authentication, and allows users to store their private keys and supports staking for certain cryptocurrencies. The cons, although, do include that it does not have any desktop version, no integration with hardware wallets, and some users have reported slow customer support for it. Now, to give you an idea what the actual wallet on Trust looks like, what you're going to do is either download the mobile app or download the browser extension that Trust Wallet provides us. So I already have it downloaded. It's extremely simple. Simply click on download, create your wallet, log in, and it will bring you to the interface. Now, this is what the wallet looks like. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to get along. It has a pretty small learning curve. So up here, as you can see, you see your asset. Over here, you can also add multiple wallets for yourself, depending. on how many you want to manage at one time. Here you can also switch networks. So currently it's on the Ethereum network, as you can see, but you can switch it up to Base, Linea, Ethereum Classic, Callisto, Viction, Thundercore, GoChain, WanChain, Smart Chain, Polygon, and a lot more. So as you can see, Trust Wallet does provide you with a lot of things to work with. And obviously, you can go ahead and see all of your blockchain addresses differently if you want to go ahead with them. You can send, receive, swap, and also buy and sell different types of assets on this wallet. You can also go ahead and mint NFTs. Now, that is not something a lot of wallets provide you, but Trust Wallet will give you that. So do some decentralized financing and mint yourself some nice NFTs while you're at it. You can also go ahead and earn by staking with Trust. So if you have any Ethereum, you can go ahead and stake it right now to earn rewards for yourself, and you can see the returns are amazing on it. So basically, that's Trust Wallet. Now, enough about Trust Wallet. Let's go ahead and actually discuss Exodus a little bit. Now, Exodus Wallet is a digital wallet that allows users to securely store, manage, and exchange cryptocurrencies. Now, Exodus supports over 100 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others. The wallet uses a friendly user interface that enables users to easily view their cryptocurrency as they go along. You can diversify all your holdings, and the wallet uses strong security measures, including encryption and backup capabilities, to work along on the Web3. Now, Exodus Wallet is available on Windows, Mac, and Linux, as well on mobile devices like iOS or Android. So, the pros and cons of Exodus are that it has an extremely user friendly interface, supports multiple cryptocurrencies at one time, built in exchange functionality, easy backup and recovery process, integrated hardware wallet support, and customer support is available 24/7. Now, when we move over to the cons of it, you get limited coins and tokens, not enough open source, supports only 3 blockchains, high transaction fees for some coins, and limited customization options are available. So, to download the Exodus wallet, all you're going to do is you're going to come here and you can either download it on your Windows or you can see the other devices that it is currently present on. Now, when it comes to the main differences and similarities between Exodus and Trust Wallet, they are as so. So when it comes to features and supported assets, Trust Wallet is a multi-currency wallet that supports over 1 million different cryptocurrencies and tokens. It also offers a built-in exchange feature allowing you to easily swap between different cryptocurrencies within the app. Exodus, on the other hand, is a desktop and mobile wallet that supports over 250 different digital assets. It also has a built in exchange feature allowing you to easily swap between different cryptocurrencies within the application. Now, when it comes to the usability, Trust Wallet has a very user friendly interface, whereas Exodus is desktop only wallet. So the learning curve is a little, slightly more than Trust Wallet on this. Security reasons are something different. Trust Wallet has a secure open source code base and offers advanced security features such as biometric and hardware device support. Exodus, on the other hand, uses a number of security measures to protect your assets, including 2 factor authentication, password protection, and a secure open source code base. However, it will not offer you biometric authentication. Then we can move over to NFTs. Now, NFTs are hugely available on Trust Wallet, and Trust Wallet, as I showed you right now, is the perfect place to add your NFTs, mint them, receive them in any way possible. Your collectibles are secured on the blockchain and linked to a public address so you can have peace of mind knowing that they are extremely safe. Exodus, on the other hand, supports the storage of non fungible tokens or NFTs on various networks and platforms. The NFT gallery in Exodus allows you to manage your NFT collection by enabling you to receive, send, store, and display your image NFT. Now, when it comes to staking, as I already showed you in the Trust Wallet, staking is also a big part in it because Trust Wallet supports a wider range of cryptocurrencies than Exodus. The staking rewards that you can earn with Trust Wallet will depend on the specific cryptocurrency and network you are staking, as well as the current market conditions. Exodus, on the other hand, currently only supports 7 cryptocurrencies for staking, with the highest APY of 18% of Cosmos Atom. So the cryptocurrencies you get for staking are Solana, Algorand, Cosmos, Cardano, Tezos, and one or two more that aren't too big of cryptocurrencies. So for the staking bit, I would definitely go with Trust Wallet. Now, if I were to give you a final conclusion, both Exodus and Trust Wallet offers unique features that make them appealing to different types of users. Exodus is known for its user-friendly features and supporting over 100 cryptocurrencies. Trust Wallet, on the other hand, supports over a million assets and 53 different blockchains. So ultimately, the choice between these two wallets will come down to personal preferences and needs of you, the user. So basically, that's pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. So have a great day, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Goodbye.